heated leather seats, nav system, moonroof, entertainment system, third row seat, entertainment system, rear seat DVD rear vision camera, luxury package, 4x4, hitch. LT trim, summit white exterior and ebony interior. Read more. Key features include, third row seat, 4x4, rear air, flex fuel, premium sound system, onboard communication system, trailer hitch, remote engine start, dual zone AC MP3 player, rear seat audio controls, keyless entry, privacy glass, steering wheel controls. Option packages. Luxury package includes DV8, inside rear view auto dimming mirror, AM3, front bucket seats with leather appointed seating, heated front seats, KA6, heated second row seats, ARS, second row, power seat release, DL3, outside heated power adjustable, power folding mirrors with memory function NC, audio system with navigation, FM system stereo with CD player 7-inch touchscreen color interface display, CID, 30 gig usable hard drive storage space, with navigation and voice recognition, USB port, MP3 playback capability, radio data system, RDS, speed compensated volume, time shift record, sun, entertainment and destinations package includes additional 9 months of Sirius XM radio and nav traffic service, CF5, power sunroof, U42, rear seat DVD entertainment system and DNU, third row DVD screen. LT also includes UE's audio system with navigation, DV8, inside rear view auto dimming mirror, entertainment system, rear seat DVD player with remote control, overhead display, 2 sets of 2-channel wireless infrared headphones and auxiliary audio-video input jacks, rear vision camera. Note: images appear on navigation screen for units equipped with UE's AM/FM stereo with MP3 compatible CD-DVD player and navigation. For units not equipped with navigation systems, images will appear within rear view mirror. Suspension package horsepower calculations based on trim engine configuration. Please confirm the accuracy of the included equipment by calling us prior to purchase.